Sir, can I get your name and your position?
Okay, sir. So I'm Joshua H.J. Marcos po, the Development Management Officer 2 of the Agricultural Training Institute Central Office.
Tell us about itong Training Institute of DA.
Okay po. So ATI po or Agricultural Training Institute is one of the attached bureaus po ng Department of Agriculture. So ATI is a training and extension arm po of the department. So basically po, we are the catalyst, knowledge bank, and also the capacity builder po of the agricultural and fisheries extension sa bansa po natin.
So, sino-sino ang mga nakikinabang nitong Training Institute natin?
Specifically po, ang mandate po talaga ng Agricultural Training Institute is to train our local government units po, particularly our municipal and provincial agriculturist mga staff po doon. Pero po meron din po kaming mga activities or may mga programs din po kami related to our Filipino farms.
What about yung mga farmers and fisher folks? Do they benefit from this?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have a lot of activities and programs related po or particularly for the benefit of the farmers and the fisher folk.
So far, any mga anything na mga farmers na tulungan, may mga success stories ba tayo na you could share?
Yes, sir. Actually, we have a lot, particularly yung mga naging Learning Site for Agriculture na natin. So, Learning Site for Agriculture is one of the partners po ng Agricultural Training Institute or ATI sa ground. So, LSA are privately owned farms po kung saan sila po yung tinatap ng ATI to conduct different activities po for the farmers. So, one example po ng successful farmer natin, actually, it's a young farmer po. It's Robert Española from Region 12. He's a former intern po namin for the Young Filipino Farm Interns Program in Japan, Young Filipino Training Leaders Program in Japan, na naging learning site for agriculture na ni ATI. So, once he came back dito sa Philippines after his 11-month internship, he applied for LSA. And now, he's part of the LSAs namin dito sa ATI na tinatap namin for the training ng mga farmers natin.
So, paano maka-benefit yung mga farmers? Say, I'm a farmer right now watching from wherever. Paano ako maka-benefit? How do I get hold of you?
The ATI has different training centers nationwide. So actually, we have 16 training centers all over the Philippines, 15 regional training centers, and 1 international training center for pig husbandry. So they can connect with the different training centers po natin. That's one. Second is you can visit our Facebook page. That's ATI, Agricultural Training Institute. You can also visit our website sa Agricultural Training Institute din po, ati.da.gov.ph.
Sir, do you have any message to all our farmers out there watching?
For all our farmers and fisher folk po, katuwang nyo po ang ATI sa pagpapalaganap ng mga different technologies po para sa pag-ikauunlad ng ating sektor sa agrikultura.